Greetings everyone, welcome to Miss Dolly's English online lesson for basic or beginners. I am very happy to welcome those of you who are from Southeast Asia or beyond, whether you're from Malaysia, Thailand, Cambodia, Philippines. I welcome you. Hi, hello. This is what we learned in our first lesson, correct? I hope you remember. In our second lesson, we learned good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On our third lesson today, what are we going to learn? We're going to learn how to continue this conversation. You don't just stop by saying hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You don't keep quiet. You continue the conversation. What do you say? You say, good morning, how are you? Just like in Malaysia, you say, apa khabar, right? Or in Chinese, 你好吗? So it's the same way. In English, you say, hi, hello, how are you? Then the person will say, I am fine, thank you. How are you? And you will respond to this person by saying, I am fine, thank you. So this is how you carry on the conversation. Don't just stop by saying, hi, hello, how are you? Okay, so we need to continue our conversation. So first, second, and third lesson that we've had, we have learned greeting and we learned how to continue that conversation. We don't end it by just saying hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Remember, it's how are you? I am fine, thank you. Don't forget that. All right, till we meet the next time. And the next lesson, we'll learn something different. I look forward to seeing you for our fourth lesson. Bye!
Generate by AI.